Meet the regal horned lizard. Normally, its dinosaur appearance is enough to protect it from predators. A coach whip snake. This snake eats lizards, and she knows it. First, she tries a simple scam, puffing herself up to look bigger, more intimidating. But this doesn't fool the persistent snake. This is now a matter of life and death. So she's forced into pulling the sneakiest strategy of all, her greatest deception. She's faked her own death. If the snake doesn't buy the con, this is going to backfire in a spectacularly bad way. But snakes, you see, never eat dead animals unless they've made the kill themselves. Completely confused, the snake slopes off. A quick peek to check the coast is clear, and she springs back to life and straight back to protecting her brood.